cuckoo pidgey. I feel like I need to stretch my wings. Okay, today we're going to learn about my species, the rock pigeon, and we're going to talk about some other birds, like the mourning dove, my relative. But first, I'd like to have a word with any parent or guardians or babysitters or caregivers. Okay? Hi, my name is Cuckoo Pidgey. The Project Bird Safe organization cares very much about saving birds like me. And I just wanted to say thank you for supporting this video. Coo. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, are we ready to start learning about birds? First, let's talk to some seagulls. Seagulls can sometimes be dangerous to pigeons like me, but most of the time they just mind their own seagull business. Hi, Seagull. Oh, hello, Cuckoo Pidgey. And hello, friend. We wanted to ask you what life is like as a seagull. Well, life is good as a ring-billed gull. I get to fly over the ocean, and sometimes I fly inland when there's a storm. But mostly life is good. And sometimes I'll eat burgers that someone left out on a bench, or potato chips. Well, that's cool. Bye, Seagull. Seagull. Hey, Turkey.
Oh, hello, pigeon. Dear me, I do hope it's nowhere near Thanksgiving. Don't worry, it's almost Easter, actually.
Bye, Turkey. Uh-oh. Do you see the falcon bird? I'm hungry. Now pigeon for you. Look, blue jays. Stay cool, friend.